Hello my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to share with you tea time snacks, that is masala vada. Let's see how to make masala vada. First you have to take chana dal and soak it for 5 hours. Once it soaked, take a mixie jar and put soaked chana dal and small pieces of gingers and 5 to 10 pieces of garlic and grind it without water. Here I am taking chilli, onion, coriander leaf and curry leaf cut into small pieces. Take a grinded chana dal, add a 2 tablespoons of salt and chop the onion, chilli, curry leaves and coriander leaves. Mix it well. At the same time I am here taking a pan and pour some oil and heat it 5 to 10 minutes. Then take a chana dal and make a round flatted shape and put into oil and fry it 5 minutes until it turn to brown color. Once it's turned to brown color, take it off. Now your masala vada is ready. This is my sister recipe. Enjoy your crispy masala vada with tea or coffee. I will meet you in the next video. Tata! Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.